keep going. Bad stuff. Let's dance with my hands. Bad. I mean, I'm not young anymore, but I still have some mouse skills. Yeah. Dance with my hands. Dance with my hands. Dance with my hands. Dance with my hands. Is being 30 really that much of a handicap? I mean, objectively, no. Like, in reality, no. But I'm not 30. That's the problem. I would say probably my mouse speed has gotten significantly worse in the last, like, I would say last two years. Maybe it's more. Like, I'm trying to think. Started pandemic, I think I still had most of my speed. But I would say, like, in the last year and a half to 2 years, so around 34, 35, like, I'm still good at bullet, but I'm not as fast as I once was. There's a very clear difference. It's not about the mouse. I mean, I'm just not young anymore. Just tuned in, saw 4-0. Interesting. Very interesting, right? I agree. But yeah. Can I just take, or am I... Takes. Also, there's also... No, I think I just take. Yeah, take. Oh, he found it. Wait, but I can take... Haha! Oh, wait. I can also sack my queen for 2 pieces. No, but this... This is just good, because I have knight f6 to fork him. Gonna take. Want to be smart about how I play. I have f4 maybe. No, then he just takes. I misplayed this, of course. Like everything else, I misplayed. I have queen h3, maybe to pressure the pawn. Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian. Okay, but now I'll just take and go bishop d5. That's the whole point. Now I get the bishop back and I get the wooden shield. I get a dominant wooden shield in the middle of the board. Yeah, he's this, but don't I just take and now I kebab him. We get the classic kebab with rook f7. We eat the juicer. Wooden shield with a kebab is just too OP. Go h4 to lock him out. A4, not really worried. G4 doesn't work, so I think I just keep ignoring everything. What am I worried about? Nothing. I have rook h7, which is good enough, but I'm worried if I can mate him. Nah, I think it's just clean. Just clean enough. Now we get the win. Let's keep going. 5 up.